Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we're taking a look at my February sticker hauls. So let's take a peek. Okay, so all of my purchases in February were centered around getting ready for the month of April. So these are all of my planning kits for April. So, and then I also got a couple of extra kind of functional things, some scripts and that kind of stuff. So let's get started. I have an order from Phenix Plans, Orange Umbrella Co., Fern Creek Stickers, as well as Planner Kate. So let me put these aside. I'm going to start with Phenix Plans. Thank you, Christine, for including this sweet little sampler of washi. I really love this. Check it out. There's like a black and red buffalo check with a gold bow on that. That's really cute. So I really appreciate that. And don't forget, friends, if you use the code BITLY15, you'll get 15% off your order from Phenix Plans. So Christine has added a couple of, she had a couple of new scripts on her site, or at least I don't think I had caught them beforehand. And so I wanted to add them to my mix. And so there's this cute little freebie, which I already took the little sneaker and the football and used those this month because I just couldn't help myself. And then I got Netflix, so I'm planning to use this in my budget planner for when my Netflix bill is due. And then I got Disney Plus, same thing, gonna use that in my budget planner. And then Target, because I always make Target runs. Probably, well, I don't go to Target as much as I used to, but you know, you're at Target like what, once a week? And so I thought this was cute for my Target runs. And then errands, just for random errands. I love all of these because her scripts are sized, they fit perfectly between the lines in my plum paper planner. And then this is Make Bed. I love this, so I'm going to put this in my cleaning pages. If you've seen my Clean Mama routine, the pages that I use for that, making the beds is one of the daily fives, so I'm going to use that. And then Tidy. So also one of the daily fives is to kind of like pick up your clutter, and so I'm going to use Tidy instead of writing clutter. I kind of like that word better anyway. And then garbage, so I'll use this for taking out the garbage. So our garbage pickup is every Wednesday morning, and so we have to put it out Tuesday night because it's picked up like at 7 in the morning. So I'm going to use that there. And then also one of the daily fives is laundry, so I'm going to use that in my daily fives. So I love all of these. They're so great. And I think Christine said she was going to be adding even more scripts to her shop because I think she got another machine. So I'm really excited and happy for her. So those are my scripts from Phenix Plans. And then let's move on to Orange Umbrella Co. I love this card that they put in there. Let me take this out. I don't know that I've ever seen a card like that come with their orders before. Okay, let me just get my address out of there. Okay, so this is called Blossom Boulevard. Look at how sweet this is. This little washi here just really caught my eye. These little, it's like, I don't know, like little houses, little townhouses, little row houses. I thought they were so cute. And that's what caught my eye and why I purchased this kit. So this is, I got a weekly. So this is kit 834. This is sort of like the weekly sampler, sheet H. And then I got, this is sheet 022. And so this has some washi, some deco boxes, and some functional boxes. I really liked this Hello Spring full box. So I thought that was cute. And I love these. These are really cute. I don't know if I've ever used a sticker like that in any of my layouts. So I'm excited about that. And then of course, you know, I got the washi. I love the washi. These little topiaries are so sweet. I really like that. And then I liked this trellis print as well. So I just think this is so cute. And then, you know me, lots of appointment labels. I love all the colors. Like this is such a good range of colors to go with this kit. And then look how sweet is this? Some clip art. I thought this was a really cute wreath, so I hope I can find something to do there. And then just sort of like a blown up version of the cute little houses. So I thought that was a really sweet kit. So that's my Orange Umbrella Co. This is cute. Thank you so much for your support. So just kind of their little, oh look, this is cute. It's a little card that says kits to buy. So you can kind of keep a little list, like a shopping list. I love it. Okay, so that's my orange umbrella coat order. And then let's move on to Fern Creek stickers. I love Fern Creek stickers. They're so cute. So this is the one I'm planning to use for Easter. Let me get these here. So this is the freebie. So she's kind of changed her shop. Let me see, this little note in here kind of tells you all about it. So she's closing her Etsy shop for a couple of months. I believe it's because she's a teacher and she's just getting really busy right now. And so between February 1st and the 15th, she discounted a bunch of stuff to clear out her inventory. And then for the rest of February, March, and April, what she's doing is a monthly pre-sale. And I think it's like in the first of the month. And then you can only do sticker orders during that first week of the month. And then she'll get the orders out. So anyways, this was a little bit of an explanation as to what she's doing with her shop. So I'm glad she's not closing altogether, because I really do, I kind of use a lot of her kits, I think, kind of mixed in a lot between Orange Umbrella Co. and Planner Kate, I think, and Fern Creek stickers. Those are kind of like my go-to shops for weekly and monthly kits. And I started kind of blending in Monarch plans and some of the other shops like Ever Changing Plans. But yeah, those three are kind of like my top go-to. So that's kind of an update on Fern Creek stickers. And then so these stickers are just reminders of like when the pre-sale happens and when the orders ship. So she did that for February, March, and then April. So I'll have to look at that first week of March to see what the pre-sale looks like. So that's that. I think that's really smart. And then she did another freebie. I love this font. Wash towels, wash delicates, happy mail, tidy up, wash sheets. So super cute on that freebie. And then, oh, look at this. So she says, oops, I messed up one of the full boxes. Here are a couple of extras. But I took a look at this. Look, do you see a mess up? Because I don't know. Like, they all look good to me. Isn't this the cutest thing? So this is kit 72. Kind of got ahead of myself there. And so I got the full boxes because I loved this Happy Easter, and I love this bunny here. These are just all so cute. Aren't they adorable? And then I guess, so she felt like she messed up on one of these, although I don't see it. So she sent me some extra ones. And then let's see. So this, oh, this must be a freebie. Look at how well that coordinates. And then, oh, here's her card. Look, I'm going all backwards, you guys. Don't forget to use her code THANKS15 for 15% off. And then appointment labels, because you know I always need a ton of these. I love this color range. So sweet for Easter. And then the washi. I love these tulips. So cute with little Easter eggs. And then I got the full sheet of washi. Oh my gosh, this is darling. I love this. It's so sweet. I can't wait for Easter now. I love Easter. I want to say it's like every 7 years or so, Easter falls on my birthday. So I've always been a big Easter fan. And then this is the weekly sampler. These scripts, I love this font. They're so cute. Look at how pretty. This sort of, it's kind of gray, but with just a hint of lavender to it. I love the color. Like this kit, I adore it. I just love it. And then here's the sheet of sort of like deco labels and just some functional labels. So, oh, look at how cute the little bunny. Can you see that? Just kind of shadowed in there. So sweet. Okay, so that's my Fern Creek stickers order. And that's going to be for Easter week. And then I have an order from Planner Kate. These are my monthlies. Okay, so let's try to put some order to this, Christy. Let's start with her card. If you haven't already seen it, that's her little business card. And her discount code is PKLove20 for 20% off. So there's that. And then these are the freebies from Kate. I love these little stripey boxes. I haven't used them, but I think in June I want to do like a rainbow spread, like a rainbow week, and I want to use a lot of those. And then the fork and knife, I do use a lot of these in my meal tracking area. Some habit trackers. I think I have enough of these to like kind of do my 3 trackers in the same color. And then some cute little colored icons. These are a nice size. I like using these too. Some shaded boxes, like appointment labels, and then some cute little doodles. These are cute. I like these colorful doodles. So cute. Look at the little shoe. Okay, so let's start with, this is kit 317, so it's called Easter Bunny. Let me get all the sheets for this out. Okay. All right, we'll put these to the side. Okay, so what I did was, this is gonna go in my budget planner. So my budget planner, as you may know, is a combination of Frankenplan of an EC monthly with the Budget by Paycheck workbook from the Budget Mom. And so when I order my monthly, I do the EC monthly for this one. I just loved this pastel, kind of just like watercolor look to this, and the little Easter bunny is cute too. I love that she's got all of the holidays for the month of April in there in these scripts. I think this is really great. And then more scripts here, payday, bill due, no school. So those are really good to have too. And lots of event labels. I love that, super cute. Okay, and then I also got the full sheet of washi. I loved all of these washies. Look at how pretty that floral is. You know me and florals. I love florals, friends. So I got that, and then I'll be using the sinking funds. So I got that sheet. That's B4. Sorry, this is sheet B. This is sheet H1. So it says EC 7x9 monthly sheet 1. You can see that up there. And then this is the, okay, washies, and then the sinking funds. And then I get this strip of the add-on 6. I got this sheet of washi because this I like to use for my add-on pages. So I have my cleaning add-on page, and then I have the to-do list add-on page that I actually use for my social media planning. So that's cute. That's Easter Bunny. And then the other kit I got is called Lavender Fields. Let me pull that one over here. Okay, so let's see. Let's start with the monthly. So this sheet is J1, so this is sized for plum paper 7x9. Isn't that beautiful, the lavender? I just love these colors, so pretty. Lots of pastels in here. I just love that lavender color. And again, all of the holidays, so that's great. I'll have that for my monthly in my plum. So there's that. And then she now does, thank you, Kate, the dashboard sheet. So those circle stickers are there, washi, lots of scripts. I love this font. This is so cute. And then the April highlights. Oh, look at the little butterfly in that. That's so cute. I don't use these big trackers, but I'll just hang on to it. Who knows? Maybe I will. So that'll be for my monthly in my plum paper. And then I also got a couple of these sheets here to do a weekly spread as well, because I loved that full box. I love this plaid, diagonal plaid washi here. So this is sheet C. This is sheet B, the washi, again, because I love to have lots of washi. And then I also got the add-on 6 sheet of washi, again, because I'll probably do like this one for cleaning, and then maybe I'll do this one for my social media, or either way. I just wanted to make sure that I had enough washi, and these strips are perfect for that. And then I am loving these event scripts, add-on 9. So I think I'm gonna just like always buy this sheet, like one of my standard sheets to buy, just so that I have them, because I've actually been using them in other spreads. Just if the colors coordinate, I use it. So I love having all of these. I think they're so great. And then of course, event labels, because that's me. I loved this color, that kind of icy turquoise blue. I thought that was really cool. So that's kit 318, Lavender Fields. And then I also bought a couple of other sheets from Kate because they were on sale. She was having a sale. And so if you've seen any of my Plan With Me's, I always use these for Otis, whether it's a vet appointment or just as a reminder of when to give him his heart guard and next guard. So that's S24, the little paw print. And then I liked these. This is S153. It's volunteer at. And then this one here is also just says volunteer. This is S922. I liked these because the girls have to do service hours each year for high school. And then we as parents also have a certain number of hours we have to commit to volunteering each school year. And so I liked these. these I could use for myself, like volunteer at 12 p.m. or volunteer at 3 p.m., whatever. And then I liked these ones because there's space in this box here for like the girls. I could say volunteer at food bank or wherever they're going to be volunteering. So I liked both styles of this little volunteer event label. So I got both of those and they were on sale. So, you know, that helps. And then this is, she has a bunch of these different ones. They're just called checklists and this just says garbage. And so I liked it. I could put these on Tuesday of my spreads just to remind me to take the garbage out and check it off when I know I've done it. And this is S344. So yeah, so that's the rest of my Planner Kate order. I'm really excited about all of my kits. And so just so you know, I am aware that April will actually have 4 weeks. And so the other kits that I'm going to be using are, I think April's 5 weeks I counted. I have this kit already from Planner Kate. I'll just share with you. So this sheet, this is kit 252 and this is sheet C. This was in a Misfit grab bag that I had gotten. I've only gotten one Misfit grab bag, but it had this sheet in it. And I thought this was so cute. I loved this full box. It says you got this. I thought this was such a cute kit. I went back onto her site after I got this and looked to see if she had the kit still up on her site, and she did. So I went ahead and I ordered the washi. This is sheet B. And then I ordered the full boxes, sheet A, and then some deco labels, which is S, some event labels, which is T, and then scallop labels. I don't really order a lot of these, but I thought they were kind of cute. I liked the colors. This is sheet Y. And then I did get the individual date covers. So these are, you know, this is an older kit prior to her formatting the date strips for the plum paper. So I just got the individual one. So I bought the extra pieces to make the full kit. And so this is something that I already had because I am trying to remember to use stickers that I already have. So that's gonna cover one of the 5 weeks. And then the other kit that I already had was this kit, I think it's 0154. I'm not really sure how Chrissy Ann designs numbers her kits or what she calls them, but this was something that I had ordered back last summer, and I was just flipping through the book, through the binder that I have, trying again to use stuff that I already had. And so this one is really cute. So these are colorful like checklists, and then these cute little deco boxes. I like all these little Steves. I thought this was kind of cute. And then some washi here. These are the date headers. A couple of other this week, don't forget. A couple of little icons. I thought it was bright and colorful for spring. It's a little brighter than the rest of the stuff that I'm doing in April, but I thought it would give me like a little splash of brightness. Just some functional labels here, event labels, and then some more here and some scripts. I like this list, family time. I love this family time sticker. I have a sheet of it in black and I use it a lot in my spreads. So that's the other kit. So that'll make up the rest of April. But yeah, that's it. Kind of fun. I was so excited when I got this order. So here's my Planner Kate stuff. My kit for Easter from Fern Creek Stickers, and then my orange umbrella coat. I love this, so cute. And then lots of fun new scripts from Phenix Plants. So that's it. Those are my stickers. I think I'm ready for April. Alrighty, friends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.